kids. Do you ever get the hiccups? I know, I get them too. They're not much fun. They're not bad, but just annoying. Anyway, this book is called Monster's Birthday Hiccups by Virginia Mueller. Hic, 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 hic. I'll see if I can read this without giving myself the hiccups from making hiccup noises. Hey, happy birthday, Monster! Looks like all his friends are coming over to the party. Monster's birthday party was a whole lot of fun until... See the game they're playing? Looks like they're playing pin the tail on the dragon. You see that? Well, it was fun until... What do you think? You're right. Monster got the hiccups. Everyone tried to help. Father turned Monster around and around, but Monster said, Sister and Baby scared Monster. But Monster said, Each friend gave Monster a hiccup hug. 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 Wasn't enough, but Monster still said, Nothing helped. Oh, he's holding his nose in his mouth. He's drinking lots of water. He's eating something sweet, honey. Not even standing on his head. Hook, 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 said Monster. Wow. Then Mother brought in the cake. The candles gave Monster an idea. I'll make a wish, Monster said. If I blow out the candles, my wish will come true. Monster made a wish, and he took a big breath. And everyone counted 1, 2, 3. Now, Monster's birthday party was fun again. His wish came true. Monster's hiccups were gone. He wished for his hiccups to be gone, and he blew out the candles on his cake, and it worked. Hooray for Monster! Hooray, no more hiccups. Hope you guys go all day today without getting the hiccups. Love you. Mwah.